Okay, okay. We will go ahead, edit the YouTube title just a little bit. Use it. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I'm just updating the title because I apparently had it set too long for the thingy. So that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and say we're deploying Jupyter Hub on ARM after building the images in part 1. Now we'll try and use them. After building the multi-arch images. Okay, cool. And that looks like maybe it went through. How we doing? Yep, okay. So today what we're going to be talking about is deploying a Jupyter Hub on ARM as part of moving the notebook inside the cluster. And so that's the growling that you hear is Timbit. It's the dog. And actually, I'm really excited. We have a new Timbit camera for when I take him outside to pee. And we might get a chance to experiment with that as well. So just noticed, oh, that made an interesting sound. That's probably okay. Let's say that's okay. And we are going to do a little quick tweet. See if anyone wants to join us. Deploying. Oh, are you taking Tim outside? No, okay. I was really excited because then I could show off the Timbit cam. He's okay. He's okay. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, let's put on a little bit of royalty-free music. Yeah. Yeah, I really like the YouTube audio library. It's actually, you know, it's not bad. Oh, and let's go ahead and we're gonna switch this over to, I guess, there we go, live, and we're just gonna drag this over here for just a second. We are gonna search for the genre is, oh no, sorry, that's not where we want to search. I like ambient, genre ambient. I don't like the sad ones. I like calm. Or inspirational. Let's try inspirational. Yeah, maybe that will be good. Who knows? Okay. And so let's go ahead and, oh shit, that's loud. No. There we go. Okay. A little less loud. I think that's a little better. Let's keep on rocking. Okay. Oh yeah, and the thing that you heard at the start of the stream was I have a new intro soundtrack that I'm excited about trying out. What was I gonna do though? Buttons and computers and stuff. Right, buttons and computers and stuff. So we're going to zoom that in. So we got. Let's go get namespaces. Kubectl get all -n jhub. Okay, yeah. Let's see if I can find where we're doing that deployment. I guess it's like back here. No. No. Huh. Am I running? Okay. Hello, princess. Can I do this? Yeah, okay. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to delete this Helm deployment because it failed. And I thought we had it configured to delete itself on failure, but it looks like maybe we didn't. That's okay. And we're going to go back to the Jupyter Hub guide. And it's like Jupyter Hub, yeah, 0 to thingy. Oh, okay. Yes. Go over here. Oh. Okay. I would like to install it. Ah, yes, okay, and we've got some config.yaml file somewhere. Inside of... Okay. Yeah, okay, so it's inside of Dask Kubernetes. This has got a secret inside of it. Of course, you know, if we were deploying a real cluster, I wouldn't be showing this, but I think for what we're doing, that's okay. So the cleanup on fail, that does not look like it worked because it left everything around. So that's unfortunate. Okay, but that being said, so do I have the Jupyter Hub? Okay, yeah. These are the images. I added the Helm chart. Where is the Helm chart from? The Helm chart is from a different repo, probably. Okay, Jupyter Hub. Helm. Ah, here we go. Here's the link to... So you don't... Okay. /Jupyter Hub /Helm. Okay, yes, that's what I want. Okay, except... okay, I want to find... Okay. I want to find the Helm chart so that, like... I don't want the development release necessarily. I just want to find... Oh, why did it stop playing? Oh, no, it didn't. There was just a lull in between. Okay, so... I don't want... Okay, I would like the project, but the project... Binder Hub. Okay, is this? Okay. Don't super know. This does look... Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, Jupyter Hub. Values.yaml. Okay, so let's go to Jupyter Hub. Okay. There's like a... Damn it, why did I delete it? Okay, so... Image awaiter. Okay, so... Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, I guess I don't have Emacs up right now. Well, okay. Let's open up Jupyter Hub values.yaml. Okay. I don't remember how to zoom in Emacs. Emacs, zoom.
Oh, you made that wrong.
I don't know where. There we go.
The mug is in the cabinet.
It's fine.
Oh,
Is he? Do we get to use the professor cam? Okay, everyone. Super excited. Oh dear.
fuck.
What was that?
Your laptop. It's okay. It's your work laptop.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. We get to use the professor cam.
Alexa, how cold is it?
So the professor cam does take a second or two to like start up. So it's unfortunately we get this like blank screen for a hot minute or two, and I'm always terrified that it's not going to come up. And maybe it's not. I don't know. Oh, is the professor cam not working? Oh dear. Oh dear. I think the professor cam might not be working. Very inconvenient. Okay. Let's check out the rack camera. The rack camera's working. But the Timbit camera is having some difficulties. Okay. That is all right. We can go back to live, and I can try and debug our Timbit camera issues. Okay. So Timbit cam is ostensibly online. If we click live feed, there is Timbit. Why is the Timbit camera not working over here? Okay. Okay, tell you what, we are going to really quickly change this. Okay. There we go. There's our Timbit camera. So we can see Professor Timtim is indeed amazing. He is Professor Timtim. Sorry, I'm really excited about my Timbit camera. I know it's maybe not the most exciting thing in the world, but there's the Timbit camera. It looks like the Timbit camera has some difficulty at high resolution. So that's okay. Thank you. I think Professor Timbit is adorable. Although it looks like he's gone off screen. Most likely to dig a hole, because he's got some holes that he really likes to dig. Although maybe, he might have gone down to the garage too, based on where Carolyn just went. So we'll hope everything's okay. Let's go back to our projecting. I like the cloud key, it's pretty neat. So I am assuming that this is some stuff that we can configure. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. So that's maybe not the most solid starting place, but we're just gonna see how this goes. Okay. If there's like some like config, there we go, config.yaml. So I'm gonna go ahead and we are gonna specify that the hub image right, that's 2 spaces. Okay, is instead, let's go ahead and take a look at what things I push to my Jupyter. Oh, what things I push to my Docker hub. Sorry. Image awaiter, single user sample, secret sync, network tools, and I guess I pushed it as hub. Maybe. Let's. And they don't actually even. Let's hold K. I don't. I'm concerned that I don't have a configurable HTTP proxy image. Like, that doesn't seem to be in any of these images. I guess. Well, let's search for that and see what comes up. Gotcha. Okay. So there is this separate Jupyter Hub configurable HTTP proxy, but I don't see a Docker file. Is there a okay, so let's go ahead. No, I want to look for on Docker, Jupyter Hub. Let's go back here. Okay, you're saying it's not there. I am super confused. Okay. It's right there. I don't enjoy computers. Okay. Let's take a look at what it's tagged for. Something tells me AMD 64. God damn it. Well, I guess there's no. Oh, there is a Docker file. Okay. Cool. Okay. Um, okay, let's try and build this. And so this will be the tag that we use. So let's go back to, so proxy image name. Okay.
Should we get outside?
Oh, what a good boy.
And then I'm in the garage and went exploring.
Good boy.
I need to sweep the garage.
Yeah, that's a thing that we could do. We could do that tomorrow.
Yeah,
Together.
I want to cut the grass. I want to sweep the garage.
Yeah.
Maybe I want Brian to do these things. It's not that
I haven't managed to like.
Get a hold of him.
Yeah. So I mean, we totally can, but like.
He might be
Busy.
with his family.
Oh, that would make sense.
Like, it would make sense for him to go and stay with.
Yeah, family.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But like,
Mama.
no.
Yeah, little snuggle. Okay. So. Oh yeah, hub. I don't know what the tag is. How are there 10 downloads? That seems like bullshit. Oh. 001. Okay. What's up next? Okay, yeah. Traffic is probably. What the fuck? How are there so many fucking pods? I mean, I get it, kinda, but like also. Okay. Jupyter Hub. Okay, secret sync. Where does this come from? There's no overview. If we look at the tags, it's only built for AMD 64. And it's pushed by Jupyter Travis, and we have no idea. What the? Okay. Sorry, I have some feelings that, namely, this thing I think should be easier to build. Like, I don't think it should be this much work to like build this shit. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Let's look at the release. Okay, cool. This is pretty legit. Okay, configurable HTTP proxy. Yeah, I don't see anything which is talking about the secret sync. Like Jupyter Hub, Cube Spawner, maybe those are dependent Python packages. Um, Okay, well, I mean, I don't super know. It looks like there's some other things here. Um, but I, you know, um, oh, okay, proxy. Ostensibly, okay. Hmm. Oh, sorry, that is the proxy CHP image. And there's a separate Nginx image. Okay, I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but that's okay. This is a duplicate up above. Okay, yeah, that looks promising. Cool. The little doohickey thingy caught that. Magic monkey thingy. Let's hope that I don't have to use this. Okay. I got you. Okay. Or, I mean, not really. Okay. So, we got the hub. I called it hub. Configurable HTTP proxy. Configurable HTTP proxy. Traffic. Hopefully that's already built. Kate secret sync. Oh, maybe this is defined in the Travis. Right? This doesn't sound like total. Nope. Okay. Well. Uh, Jupyter Hub Pebble? What's Pebble? Wait, what? Okay. I feel like I'm missing some things, but that's okay. I don't super see where. Oh, there's this, okay, CI common? There's a publish directory. No, it just publishes the chart. So there's got to be something that's building the images, right? Maybe it's in the tools directory. No. Let's go look at the contributing file, maybe. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't have this set up. What? Oh, let's go enable Timbit Cam. Timbit Cam is up. Yeah. Okay, chart press will build the images. It sounds like.
You wanna go downstairs? Thank you. I said do not dig on the stairs.
Which is some other Jupyter. There's so many projects. Okay, there we go. Let's see if Professor Tim. He's gonna have a party.
Come on. No. No. Come on. Do you look for surprises? Tidbit, come on. Do you have to go potty?
Okay.
Oh, do you have a
Let's
poop?
keep our eyes on
Can you go
Timbit.
potty? Come on, go potty.
It's disappeared again.
Can you
Which is
poop
okay.
for prizes?
Let's see if I can make the Timbit camera have a little bit of a better view. 1 second. Hello, Professor Tim. Oh no. These things happen. Oh no, that's boy. No. Look. No luck with the Timbit camera adjustments. Sorry, everyone. But Timbit came back on screen, so
Surprises?
there's that. Okay. Well, Professor Tim is exploring. That's okay. I'm gonna go back to doing a little bit of work. That's okay. So I think it looks like it might be easier to check out this chart press project and customize it to build multiple images. So we are going to go ahead and do that. Or by customize it to build multiple images, what I mean is customize it to use buildx. Okay. So now we're going to go over here into chart press. And then we are going to edit. It's like main thing is just this chartpress.py file. And so okay. So render build args. Okay, then we call build image. So let's go ahead. Def build image. Okay. For now, we are just going to go ahead and context path. Ah, yeah, okay. Oops. Okay. Dash platform. Okay. So, maybe that's gonna work. I want to make a note of that. In my notes section. Yeah. Yeah. Modify chartpress to use buildx. Okay, and so maybe that'll do the trick. Okay, and so now scratch. Okay, chartpress pip install -e. Okay, cool. Then we go back into 0. Yeah, hit this directory, and now we're gonna go ahead and okay, and so then we're going to use Holden K, Jupyter Magic. This is probably going to fail, but okay, cool. Oh yeah, Docker buildx. Okay, and this looks like it's doing sort of like semi-reasonable things. Unless, is it using like any specific tags? Well, whatever. We'll see if this works. But if this is true, then really the only thing that I need to do is in my, or sorry, the only thing that I think I should need to do is in my values file. No, not my values file. It's like config.yaml. Yeah. Then this is just gonna be whatever it is, right? And so let's go ahead, image. Oh, okay. Jupyter Magic configurable HTTP proxy, and then the versions it looks like should be the same. Traffic, yeah. Okay, Cade's secret sync. So that's going to be something. Okay. Did he end up pooping? That sounds like he did poop.
No.
Oh.
The digs are so
Sir digs a lot.
we share our dawn.
Okay. So then we'll go ahead and then oh, okay, cool. We'll leave off dash dash push because it does its pushing automatically with build X, and that's fine. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Network tools. Image. Okay. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Yeah, I don't. Let's go back to the README file. No, let's go back to the contributing file. Okay, so so we do. I don't want to. What is Pebble? Okay. Gotcha. I guess I don't have a publicly writable domain name. So, but I also don't particularly want to install Pebble. Well, something tells me this probably isn't going to work, like out of the box, and it's going to need a little bit more TLC, just like everything else that we've come across. Okay, let's look. ACME K3S. Okay, well, there's this article. Wait, why do I need materials? Okay. Um, hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Wait, what? Yeah. Um, um, hmm. Well, hmm. Hmm. So the thing is, like, I don't have a spare static IP address to throw at my cluster. Hmm. So I don't. Okay. Um. Ah. Okay. Um. So this, I mean, this sounds semi-reasonable. Um. I'd have to change some firewall NAT rules, though. I think. Um. Hmm. I guess. I guess I could do that. So I guess I could just forward port 80 through, and that would should do the. I'm I'm a little bit fuzzy. I feel like this. Uh. I feel like this is maybe a little tricky, or I feel like this is maybe leaving out a few steps. So yeah, I totally have a dynamic DNS provider that provides a subdomain for me. So that's cool. But like, how do I know? Okay, well, let's follow along because oh that failed. Uh, uh, okay, I guess. I mean that failed, but it didn't. Docker. Ah, the single user sample. Okay. Okay. Well, let's. I mean, we've got the command that it tried to run, and so it's probably inside of the single user sample directory. So let's fix this first, I guess. Single user sample Docker file. Okay, and what failed to install was what now? Exec formatter. Okay, let's just run it again and see what happens. Oh, okay, sorry. What is the base image that we're using? From Jupyter Base Notebook, which, from what I remember, is something that we had to change, probably, I think. So that makes sense. Okay. I think I see why we've got this error. We're going to go up to Dask Docker, and I'm pretty sure I'm just going to end up copying this over, and that'll probably do the trick. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, let's go ahead. While that's running, we're going to try and deploy cert manager because, hey, why not? So there's these other folks who have already gotten cert manager working on ARM. Sounds great. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. So we deploy cert manager, and then you know what my IP address is. Okay, yes. Here we go. Forward port 80 and 4043 through to what IP address? Yes, these all have cluster IPs, but they don't have external IPs. So I don't know how that's going to work. Why is this going to O.50? I feel like we are missing a step, right? Ah, the IP of the Kubernetes master node. Okay, okay. Okay. Well, leader. K3s dash leader dot local. Or is it Kate's leader local? I don't remember. Cool. Okay. 3.102. Sounds good. Okay. Okay, that sounds fine. What could go wrong? Yes? Yes. Oh, hello, Professor Tim Tim. Welcome back.
Remind you that your treat bag has a piece of chicken in it.
Oh, yes, it does. Because I have a very good boy. I know a very good boy sometimes does things that deserve chicken. And if he does more things that deserve chicken today, he'll get chicken. Otherwise, the chicken gets thrown out because I'm mean.
He peed again.
What a good
But
boy.
so far, no poops.
No poop. We've been feeding you chicken. You should be having chicken poops.
Do your fans know about poop patrol with the puppies?
Yeah, my bookmarks are hidden this time around. Easy feature. No, what? Oh, the poop patrol? Wait, what?
Yeah, do all your friends know about the puppies?
Oh, yes, no, everyone knows about Timbit. Everyone loves Timbit.
Did the Timbit camera?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck
Timbit.
yeah.
Do you want us to take a look at it?
Yeah.
He's not perfect.
We're in a fast room.
Here's the Timbit cam. So I want to angle it up a little bit so we can see grass, so that we can see more of the grass. Because that's where he likes to poop. But like, conceptually, it's a good idea, I think. So Timbit cam. But figuring out. It's not fun enough. Yes, everyone believes that.
Everyone believes that.
Okay, so it looks like it failed again with exec format error, which I don't understand why apt-get is failing with an exec format error. That I'm right. Okay. Let's go back to the Docker file. Run ls. Right? Okay. This is the single user sample, right? Single user sample. Why does it say cancelled? Don't. Okay, you go ahead and run this again. Okay. Error with run ls, exec format error. Docker buildx ls. Why is this specific container the one that's failing? Right? Like this is... Docker context ls? Okay. Okay, let's look. Okay. Huh. I guess I did deploy Tailscale on this machine? That's weird. I don't remember doing that. But that seems like the kind of thing I might have done. Okay. Okay, so I don't know. I do not know. What is going on? Why are we getting... Did I misbuild my base notebook image? Like, that... This makes it seem like maybe I did? Hmm. Let's go and take a look. So there's like a... okay. So 0 to Jupyter Hub. Jupyter Hub. Okay. And then images. Then there's hubs. Okay. Did I not? Maybe I didn't build this right. I don't... oh, Docker stacks. Right. So there's a... Let's take a look at the make file. Okay. Okay, so this single user sample was using base notebook. So there's a base notebook. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Let's go ahead. Docker build x dash t holding k slash base. Okay. Well, okay. Well, let's go ahead and... oh yeah, okay. If we'll add this to the end of it, and we'll set the owner to... oh no. Yes, please save. Suspicious line 41. What's on line 41 while we're here? Yeah. Okay. Well, make all. Make. Make build all. Okay. And... oh yes, okay. Okay. Yes, okay. Okay, Docker build X, build Docker build X, build. Oh, it's not dash dash arts, it's just dash platform. AMD64. Okay. Sounds good. Yes, please save. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay, cool. Now we build, and then it fails again with an exec format error. This makes me think that it's not building on the right machine anymore for some reason. Docker build XLS. Okay. I'm very confused why this is all of a sudden failing. Maybe. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna reboot this machine. And maybe that'll do the trick. I'm guessing though. Docker build X ls. Okay. And so then okay, well, so that's taking a while. So that's a good sign that it's trying to talk to the host at the very least. Docker build X disable qemu. Yeah. No. So I mean, I have some. Sorry, my brain is a little slow. No, my chest is fine. Like, I mean, I have a sore throat. But I've got COVID tests, came back negative, which is good. I do have surgery next week for stuff, and we'll see how I recover from that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, here it is. Apt get remove qemu. Okay. This should do the trick. Yeah. Remove qemu. Okay, so if I uninstall qemu, which who knows, then maybe when I do docker build ls, thank you. Okay, so now this still says ARM64. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's get rid of these. Okay. Okay, and now if I do docker build xls, what's going to come back? Still thinks it can build ARM64 locally. Okay, I guess I want it to update bin formats, I guess. Update. Oh, okay, is it update? Okay, I guess. Okay. Hmm. Let's restart Docker. Maybe restarting Docker will do the trick. I mean, right now this is kind of super weird. It's like we've been able to build cross-compatible images repeatedly, but like now it's not working. Ooh, now my internet is doing weird things. It's not a good sign. Yeah, I'm gonna try. But okay. Yeah. What am I doing? Okay. Docker build x build. Is this gonna work? No. What the fuck? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Why is it failing? Docker context ls. Okay. It's 125. Okay. 168.3, 125. Oh, no, 192. Docker ls docker dash dash help. Docker context ls docker builder help. Okay. Docker builder prune. Yes. Okay. Docker build x prune? I don't know. Oh, well, that is a thing I can do. That's a lot more things. Git squared at x UI? Okay, I mean, I don't know what's the 90s called. Here's their terminal. Oh, I do like Tron. That looks pretty cool. Oh, but like, I mean, this seems like overkill, maybe. Okay, so AMG64 stuff is running from Ubuntu Focal. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Docker build xls is okay. Hmm. Yes. Oh yeah, okay. I mean this yeah, that makes sense kinda. Wait, kubectl get all namespaces pipe grep -I hub. Helm ls all namespaces. God fucking damn it. Okay, so it looks like the cleanup routine does not work in multiple ways. Okay, get all -n jhub -o name xargs kubectl delete and jhub. Run that again. Cool. Okay. It simplifies matters a little bit, I think. So, okay. I am using this thing. And when we try and build it, oh, no, okay, ARM64. ARM and AMD are so close together. It confuses my brain. Okay, so this would be called, we're going to use Docker stacks, and we're going to use base notebook, Docker file. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Screw this. I don't. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Carolyn's doing okay. I mean, work is hard, and being at home is hard. But she's doing okay, I think. You know, all things considered. Okay. Make, build. We're just going to build the base notebook. Yeah, I mean, it's one of the things that I want to do sometime in my life. But probably not for a while, especially with the world as it is right now. But, you know, it's, I don't know. Like, once the world gets better, I want to go to India. Like, I don't know. I miss traveling a lot. Okay. Okay, cool. This makes sense. This makes sense. Why this is not working. It is a little fuzzy why it was working before. I'm gonna make a little note for myself. Yeah, okay, so okay. Since they are based on top of the Jupyter Hub image, it also needs to be rebuilt. If you rebuild using qemu, it may look like it rebuilt on ARM64, but because they specify, because the Docker file specifies the full tag, it's actually just built the full hash, the upstream AMD64 image. Okay, cool. This is good though. We are making some progress. Not an over, like, a bunch of the things that I thought were done are they're not. But that's okay. So let's go ahead. Conda underscore version. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and replace that. We've learned how to do that better already. I'm actually going to go ahead. We are going to bump this up to 180. Yeah, val buffer. Fuck yeah, like it. Yeah, probably not next year. Maybe year after next. I think that's probably. I don't know. It doesn't seem like the country that I'm in is gonna get their stuff together particularly quickly. Okay. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Okay. So need to change base image from to blah. When was the first time I did programming? What age? So that's a good question. I'm very fortunate. I started programming at a very young age, and part of this, it was maybe, I mean, like it was basic. I didn't really know what was going on, but probably about 8 or 9. It's yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry, my brain is not rocking. Probably because it's 8 o'clock. Damn it. Okay, so let's go ahead and yeah, 8 or 9 years old. Yeah, because I couldn't write by hand, and I was very fortunate. My mother is a social worker, and so and then my dad also worked for the government, and so I ended up getting a computer at a very young age to type on, and I ended up finding out that I could do a lot more than typing on it, and that was very very fortunate. So I think what we're going to end up doing is also going to be in the Scratch directory, and I think it's going to be in my Dask Docker directory. Miniforge Docker file. Okay, and then I go into setup.sh, and then yeah. Oh, I pressed insert by accident. That's fine. Okay. Okay. And then we get mini forge instead of mini conda because yeah. I don't care about checking the sum, I don't think. Yeah, okay. And then we will go ahead and oh, skip that. Run miniforge.sh, and then we will remove that. Okay, so let's also make a note of the other thing that I had to do so that I don't forget. From to Ubuntu Focal. Swap in miniforge for miniconda with the arch resolution thing. Okay, cool. Let's try that again. Okay. Damn it. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think what I can do here is yeah. Maybe I don't know. Okay. So if I run this as a single string, oh wait, that totally works, right? Okay. Okay, so if I run this as a single string, oh, yeah, because it's not going to be on the path. Okay. Okay. There we go. Cool. Okay. That's the ticket. I think that'll do the trick. Okay. Cool. So it looks like it's working again. We're in about an hour and a half. This is going to take a while. Again, I'm going to stop. We're going to come back for part 3. Because it turns out that we didn't build all of the images just right. And that's the joys of life. And was due to me using qemu during the build process, and tagged part 2, rebuilding the images again. And the top level image was tagged to a specific hash, maybe 64, and I didn't notice. Okay, well, this happens. Like I said, this is going to take a while to run. I'm going to take a break from this, though, because this is, like I said, going to take a while. Oh, yeah, I'll probably be back in like an hour or 2, but most likely my next session, like I'll just keep doing essentially rebuilding images. I'm gonna get dinner and rebuild a bunch of images over dinner. Then after dinner, I might do some more streaming if I have energy. So maybe in like 2-3 hours. Otherwise, I'll do another one probably tomorrow morning, and hopefully that'll be good. So thanks everyone for joining me. And thank you. That's really sweet. Sorry we ran into this unexpected issue, but that's the joy of well, my life, when we're doing new things, we find unexpected things. And that's I actually yeah, anyways, whatever. I'll figure out how I want to write this later, but I kind of want to write up the part about being careful when using qemu and buildx together. And so actually maybe um do 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 um be careful when using qemu yeah, some sharp corners with qemu and buildx. And anyways, I'm gonna just outline it really quickly. Cgo and qemu51, GCC and some qmus. Docker images tagged at very, very specific versions at a hash. May build non-working versions. Thank you. That's really sweet. Anyways, yeah, this isn't much of a blog post, but I can. Yeah, well, we'll see. I'll turn it into like a 1 or 2 paragraph blog post. And I gotta okay. I mean, this we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yeah, and good night. Yeah, I'll do more streaming, like I said, tomorrow or either in a few hours tonight. But probably tomorrow morning Pacific time. We'll hopefully do what I intended to do in the stream, which is deploying Jupyter Hub. But yeah, cool. Bye.